The showingo Window Weatherstrip Seal 50 uses a compact quarter-inch bulb design that fits standard kerf grooves on many wood and casement windows, making it a practical upgrade for drafty frames. Its thermoplastic elastomer construction combines rubber-like flexibility with impressive durability, resisting wear, tearing, and temperature swings over long-term use. Once installed, the seal noticeably cuts down on drafts, outside noise, and dust, helping your heating and cooling system work more efficiently and making rooms feel more comfortable. The material also helps block moisture and wind-driven rain around sashes and doors, which is especially helpful on older or slightly warped frames. This particular 50-foot white roll is easy to trim to size, so you can handle multiple windows or doors in one project without awkward joints or gaps. The push-in flange design lets most homeowners replace worn bulb gaskets without special tools, and the smooth outer surface allows sashes to open and close without sticking.